Yeah guys, today I'm going to show and test these KZ Vader Pro earbuds for you. I got them for free from the manufacturer to show you all the really nice details, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. By the way, these earbuds are manufactured in different styles or different configurations. So as far as I know, these are the KZ Vader Pro in the normal setup with no microphone, no Bluetooth, no nothing, just the standard version. So of course then the question is, why would we really buy such earbuds? What's really special that, for example, gamers would choose them or professionals, for example, for video editing, music recording? So we have 3 speakers here built in. Usually we have just 1, sometimes 2. Here we have 3. We have very high-end electric wires inside. And the wires come with this hook design which go over the ear. So we have a really secure hold no matter what you do. They look also really nice, and at least some of them are adjustable regarding the audio, something like a built-in equalizer without having to use an app. So we have quite some difference compared to standard earbuds. And so let's see what we have here. Really decent packaging, and this is how they look here. We have to push them outside. So I would say they are not super lightweight, but we are talking about like pro grade earbuds. So that's definitely acceptable. We get a bunch of different earpieces. That's also very important when we are talking about earbuds which come with these ear tips here. That's always the most important, or one of the most important things here, that we are using ear tips which have exactly the size of your ears, not my ears, but your ears. So when you put them inside of your ears first time and you think the sound is maybe not great, then definitely check out other sizes. So we have a whole bunch of them. Original ones usually are medium size. Here I have the impression that they are rather large. Very easy to take them off, just grab them and pull them away. Usually to add smaller ones, not so difficult. But if you're doing that the first time, could be a little bit difficult. Maybe use some soap or so. But here in this case works actually pretty good. So I think you don't need to add anything. Definitely one of the easier earbuds to replace ear tips, also a really important thing. And then we get this cable here. It's actually a 4-pin, so that usually when we have 4-pin, then it's usually also supporting a microphone. We'll figure out. Then of course we have these very special plugs here. And so I've just found out which version I have. I have actually the version with the microphone. That's the Harman Target version. You can see it up here marked. But other than that, there are no instructions. So obviously I have the version without the equalizer function. But I have the version with the microphone. And as far as I know, the microphone is built in here in this small controller unit. Something special here regarding the plugs. I haven't found any mark regarding what's left and what's right. So I guess we have to just connect them and then find out. So how you are connecting, we hold them like that and then we connect them from the back. Just push them here on top. This is how that works. Same thing with this one here, just reversed. Also with this one here coming from the back with the plug. To put them on is pretty easy from the back, and then you push them here inside. Same thing on the other side. Works also with a cap, no problem. And so I've been listening to some music. Yeah, I have to remove them because they have, of course, quite some passive noise cancelling, because they have this ear tip design. Doesn't have active noise cancelling, but really strong passive noise cancelling. The quality of the audio was really good. I mean, it didn't have like an ultra deep bass sound or so, something which you have sometimes with earbuds which are exaggerating the bass sound. I mean, of course, you can always use an equalizer on your phone additionally, that would work as well instead of using equalizer here. Yeah, again, I would say it had a really strong bass sound, but not exaggerated, had really great medium and high frequencies. So also the voices are super nice, super easy to understand. I think for really monitoring something like audio recording, video recording, to realize what has been really recorded without any change, then these earbuds could be absolutely awesome. If you like an extreme ultra deep bass sound, maybe they are not perfect, or you just use an equalizer app here, then it should also work. By the way, I've been switching back to medium-sized ear tips and they are really working nice. So these are the ones which are pre-installed. And of course you also want to know how the microphone sounds, and that's already actually coming from this microphone. That's not recorded from the microphone of this camera. So you had already the microphone sample, how it is down here, and I think it's absolutely awesome. Actually much better than everything what I've heard so far from other earbuds when microphones have been built in here. Definitely huge advantage. I think microphone is also with opening to both of the sides. That can be super helpful. And now back to the normal microphone. Yeah, the microphone has actually picked up even quite some bass sound. Really awesome. By the way, we can use this button here really for start, stop, for example, while playing music or a video from the phone. Yeah, so definitely no complaints so far. They do exactly what I've been expecting. Really good, but still a rather natural sound. Microphone is great, wearing comfort is great, they are beautiful, pretty comfortable to wear, especially with this hook design here. So I would say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description. Check out also the other versions which are available, especially maybe the one with the equalizer if you have a little bit higher needs for stronger bass sound, something like that, without having to use an app. But I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with these KZ Vader Pro earbuds, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.